The camera's on. Mic's close. Here we go.
Hi, this is Dr. Daniel Ronel. You're listening to Talk 1260 KTRC, Western Medicine, a show about plastic surgery, the realities of plastic surgery, and we have a guest today, Alana Bader. Alana. She is a private personal trainer and one of the best. And for those of you watching on YouTube, check her out.
She's going to flex. She's my trainer, too. She's
and
awesome.
We're going to talk about what to do before or after plastic surgery because, you know, you're making an investment. And what's going on with that?
Well, a lot of people decide to make an investment in their life, and they get plastic surgery, and they feel that that is a long-term solution. In reality, it's just a short-term solution.
Right.
Having plastic surgery doesn't build muscle, and muscle is what we need to burn calories at rest and to maintain that beautiful body that they just invested in.
Right.
So it's important to be on a fitness regimen, some type of nutritional regimen as well, but just strength training, building muscles, supporting your bones is really so important, and so many people leave that out. You know, they don't think they have time for it, but you know, with the investment they made, they need to make time, 30 minutes a day, to just really strength train and really lift weight.
Yeah, and you know, Alana is a private, Alana is a private personal trainer, so she comes to the house.
Yeah, she brings her stuff to the house, and she makes use of your own body weight. It's not all about the gadgets with her.
Yeah, what do you like about her so much?
What I like about Alana is, I love that, without blocking her on YouTube, I love that she knows, you know, how to address the common man and our fear or distaste for working out, which I have. I hate it, but I love working out with her, and I am someone who refuses to work out. And finally I was like, all right, fine. I know I'm getting old, I'm getting fat, even though I had all the surgery, I'm still not looking as good as I'd like. I'm calling Alana. And she gave me, you know, a test. She's like, see if you like me, see if you want to keep doing this, because I was a really tough sell, and I loved it. Because she's great. She just is able to address the everyday woman's or man's issues in a way that they can take in the information and take in the workout.
Yeah.
So how do you do that? I mean, how do you know all this stuff?
Well, first, thanks. I appreciate that. I really build a bond with my clients, so it's not just about going in and giving every client the same workout. I can't act the same way in every single person's home. Everybody's different, so you get a feel for them, and you get to know what their goals are and what their fears are, and once you establish those, it's really quite easy. Some people have exercised before, some never in their life, and you make it fun. I mean, you know, I don't like exercising unless it's fun, so I wouldn't expect my clients to either.
Right. And you can find all this out on her amazing website, chiseledfitness.com. Chiseledfitness.com, that's the name of her company. And, you know, I think it's such an important part of this whole being approach to plastic surgery. You know, it's just, I see plastic surgery as an opportunity to address more than just one thing in a patient's life, more than mere physical change. You've got to, you know, promote lifelong habits, and this is certainly one of them. And strength training is the key for baby boomers in order for them to go into the older years being fit and not breaking bones and staying healthy. You know, you're not in your head.
Yeah, well, and you know, one thing I tell my clients also, I have a lot of clients between the ages of 40 and 65, and I tell them they can spend the money now to stay healthy,
Right.
or they can let themselves go, deteriorate, and spend money on medical bills and, you know, prescriptions later.
Absolutely. Right. And Medicare is not doing so well, so invest in yourself. You're listening to Talk 1260 KTRC. This is Dr. Daniel Ronel on Western Medicine, talking about plastic surgery, and we're talking with Alana Bader from Chiseled Fitness, chiseledfitness.com, private personal trainer par excellence. Thank you very much for coming.
Thanks
Thanks,
Doc. I appreciate
Alana.
it.
We'll be back in a few minutes.